5 million views, 100 million views, 140 million views. After we have posted 100,000 short form videos, I officially have the data-backed formula to going viral on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And this is exactly what I'm going to reveal to you step by step in this video. Now, I'm also going to literally give you specific video templates that you can copy one-to-one and just go viral on demand. My name is Michael Bernstein, and as you can see here, I make hundreds of thousands of dollars in pure profit every single month dropshipping, and that's the only reason why I'm qualified to talk about this topic. So let me start with showing you a perfect video from my boy Tristan. This was just perfect. So first of all, yes, you saw that right. He was reposted by Barstool Sports a few days ago, and this video is literally just perfect. It made him $60,000 using TikTok Shop, and here's why this has worked so well. He didn't really come up with this concept. He just copied a viral framework, but improved on it so much. Let me show you this video where he has it from. So the things he copied was the concept and making it look very native, and then also adding this very relatable caption. But how he added the spice, the reason for the actual virality, is first of all, he put on a suit, he got flowers, he added a red carpet, he didn't remove the tag from the suit, so people comment that he forgot to remove the tag. All these things just add an extra layer for this to go viral. He was not always that good at content. In the beginning, he was horrible, and we had to do a lot of revisions until he actually got to that point. But this just shows you how much of a learnable system this actually is. Now let me show you the video framework that has made my client 10 million views on this video and also $35,000 in sales. So let's first watch the video and then break it down.
Lego won't sue because they don't care. That is not correct. The reason Lego won't sue us is because we literally invented these building bricks and then they came and stole our design. That is why we can sell exact replicas of real firearms while Lego cannot. And let's not forget that Lego doesn't even have TikTok, so they won't even see our videos.
First, let's talk about the hook. What he does really well is combining speech, text, and visuals and matching them perfectly. The visual itself, him using the gun, there's something going on, there's action, and you can already kind of tell what's going on. Then he also starts with a very bold statement, Lego won't sue. And that statement by itself requires an answer. So by saying it, you open up a bunch of new questions in the viewer's mind, which means that they have to keep watching, which makes a perfect hook. And the interesting thing here is he did it twice. Lego won't sue is the first one because they don't have enough time, and then he says that is not correct. So again, you say that is not correct, and then now instantly you expect what is correct. So again, you have an open loop, a scroll stopper, which makes the person watch. Also, I think what makes this video even better is that the music is not too loud and that you actually can hear the sound of the Lego thing, and that makes it a little more satisfying, more real, which again adds a layer to the video. And that's, by the way, a very common mistake I see a lot of people doing. The music is fighting with a voiceover. It's too loud, so make sure that it actually fits perfect. Again, keep in mind, the client of ours who made this video, he wasn't good in the beginning. This is not natural. You just learn the skill after understanding all these little nuances and tricks and just getting a bunch of repetition and feedback on the videos you actually have. The next video made my client Alex $60,000. And the crazy part about it is it's not even that good. So let me show you the video and explain to you why it went viral.
If you sell, you need this.
This made him $60,000. Why? Was the hook insane? No, not really. Is the lighting good? No. Is the controversy great here? No, there's nothing about this. So why did this go viral? The answer is he got lucky. And this is something which can happen. It's not predictable at all. It's not inside the system. But if you post enough videos, there's also a luck factor. The more videos you post, the higher the chance of you getting lucky, obviously. It's a fact that you can get lucky And if you do, you still don't have the skill of going viral organically. At this point, Alex made over $300,000. He's really good at organic, and obviously now he can repeat the whole thing on demand without needing to rely on luck. Now, there's two reasons why he has a skill of organic now. Number one is he posts a lot of videos. Number two, and this is arguably even more important, is he consistently gets feedback on these videos. If you make a video and you don't go viral, you don't really understand why it didn't go viral. So you don't clearly understand what to change. And this is one of the advantages people have in our program, where we literally just look over the video you have and we tell you, change this. This is better. This is bad. This is good. This is a competitive advantage which nobody in the game has. And on top of that, we also pick products for you. But anyways, let's get into the next example. Next up is this money saver right here, which made my client Alec over $50,000. The main reason why this worked so well is he took a saturated product with a saturated video concept and just transferred it to a smaller market, which is the French market. What he did really well in this video itself, he utilized a surprise moment of a bunch of cash coming out the thing and then having a complimentary text saying he saved $10,000, which sounds like a crazy amount for somebody to save, and it instantly just hooks people in. One more example for a really good video here that has 11 million views and made my client $15,000 is this one.
領域展開領域展開地平エンドか
Let me break down why this actually did go viral. First of all, just the initial frame of him walking to this thing already shows that there's something about to happen. It builds up curiosity because it looks so cool, but you don't truly understand what's going on. And obviously, it also matches to the first line really well. Your month is your favorite Demon Slayer character. It probably doesn't really mean anything to you, but it's going to be very relevant to people who love Demon Slayer. Now, one thing which was done perfectly here as well is the sound. It builds up tension, and because you can hear that the beat is about to drop, it makes you wait for the drop even more, and it builds up a moment. And that moment was obviously synced up really well with changing up the clip and actually revealing that it lights up when you open it. Now, obviously, the sound itself is not enough. It has to match with the video. Even this moment of him like shaking the sword, it's building up the drop. So it's really, really well made here. And the interesting thing here with the month thing, most people are not born in January. Like 11 out of 12 people are not. So they're going to keep watching until the next month because they want to know what their thing is. And this is also something which is very shareable. They want to send it to their friends who are into anime, etc. And what happened here as well, by having this Demon Slayer thing, you directly speak to the anime community, which makes this very targeted. You will obviously have less conversions from a video if you go viral broadly, but here the more specific a video is to a niche, the higher the conversions are going to be. Now, looking at all these videos, this is just how the videos look of our advanced students. You're literally going to be able to replicate that quality of videos very easily if you get consistent feedback from us every time you post something. This is how our program is structured. You just come to us and you ask us, hey, should I test this product? And we tell you yes or no. You show us a video and you ask us, hey, why did this not go viral? And we tell you why it didn't go viral, because we know. So obviously this is going to massively cut your learning curve because you just get feedback on everything you do. And that's why the success rate we have in the program is so high. You can look at the case studies. There's literally nobody in the whole world who has more case studies than us at this point. And if you want to become the next one, you can click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to see if everything is a good fit.